People, welcome back to my channel. World 200 meter champion Shericka Jackson will face off with the Bahamian World and Olympic champion Shaunae Uibo. This is expected to be an excited showdown at the first ever Wanda Diamond League meet in Poland tomorrow. Listen, at the recent World Championships, one of the commentators said that this will be the last 400 meter Uibo will run, because she will now focuses on the 200 meter, which is her favorite. If that is so, Shericka Jackson is in a little bit of trouble, because Uibo is very good at the 400 meter, but she's better at the 200 meters. So let's see how that will work out tomorrow, because they will face off. You understand? Yeah, man. Listen, me love a hot race. Me love neck on neck battle. It keeps me at the edge of my seat. You understand what I talk about? So it will be all fun for me, because that's what I love. I love when a lot of elite athletes are in a race and they are battling to the line. I love it. You understand? Yeah, man. So